Hey there, wonderful learners. It's Ma'am Thando here, and I'm super excited. Today, I'll be doing some fun revision with one of my amazing learners. I'll read out some questions, and she'll be answering them. Let's dive in together. 1.1. Various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the correct answer A to D next to the question number 1.1.1 to 1.110. In the answer book. 1.1.1. The splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen atoms in the presence of light. A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Photolysis. D. Photophosphorylation.
Letter C. This refers to photolysis.
1.1.2. The active absorption of cations in the plant cell takes place by means of A. Diffusion. B. Osmosis. C. Carrier molecule. D. Respiration.
Letter C. This refers to the carrier molecule.
1.1.3. The release of water vapor through the stomata is called A. Transportation. B. Transverse movement. C. Transpiration. D. Translocation.
Letter C. This refers to transpiration.
1.1.4. The following are mechanical ways of controlling weeds. 1. Use of natural enemies. 2. Cutting of weeds. 3. Burning fields to destroy weeds. 4. Correct soil cultivation practices. Choose the correct combination. A. 1, 2, and 3. B. 1, 3, and 4. C. 1, 2, and 4. D. 2, 3, and 4.
Letter D. This refers to cutting of weeds, burning fields to destroy weeds, and correcting soil cultivation practices.
The deficiency symptom of this element shows an internal cork in apples and tomatoes. A. Boron. B. Iron. C. Zinc. D. Cobalt.
Letter A. This refers to boron.
1.1.6. Which one of the following is not a contributory factor to soil erosion in South Africa? A. Incorrect cultivation. B. Temperature. C. Slope of land. D. Veld fires.
Letter B. This refers to the temperature.
1.1.7. An important requirement for pesticides to be registered is the A. Degradability of the pesticide. B. Period of activity. C. Toxicity of the pesticide. D. Proposed price.
Letter D. This refers to the proposed price.
1.1.8. The design of a drainage system is influenced by various factors, except A. Topography of the ground. B. The requirements of the crop. C. The amount of water to be added to the soil profile. D. The characteristics of the soil.
Letter C. This refers to the amount of water to be added to the soil profile.
1.1.9. Artificial supplementation of water to areas where rainfall is insufficient is called A. Drainage. B. Evaporation. C. Precipitation. D. Irrigation.
Letter D. This refers to irrigation.
1.110. A scientific instrument used to measure how hard a plant has to work to extract water from the soil is called A. Evaporation pan. B. Neutron moisture meter. C. Rain gauge. D. Tensiometer.
Letter D. This refers to a tensiometer.
1.2. Choose a term or phrase from column B that matches a description in column A. Write only the letter A to H next to the question numbers. 1.2.1 to 1.2.5 in the answer book. 1.2.1. The membranes where light phase takes place. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter H. This refers to the thylakoid.
Correct. 1.2.2. A method of organic fertilization. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter C. This refers to green manuring.
Correct. 1.2.3. Keeping plant cover on soil surface. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter D. This refers to mulching.
Correct. 1.2.4. A fertilizer used during land preparation to rectify low soil pH. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter E. This refers to lime.
Correct. 1.2.5. A system where different crops are grown alternately on the same land year after year. Karabo, what is the answer?
Letter G. This refers to crop rotation.
Correct. 1.3. Give one word or term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the word or term next to the question numbers 1.3.1 to 1.3.5. In the answer book. 1.3.1. Living organisms that can produce their own organic food.
Autotrophic.
Correct. 1.3.2. Flowers that produce a seed with two seed lobes.
Dicotyledonous.
Correct. 1.3.3. The dropping of flowers and fruitlets to reduce the amount of fruit set.
Ablactation.
Correct. 1.3.4. The system used to remove the excess water in the soil in a field which is waterlogged.
Drainage.
Correct. 1.3.5. A farm structure with transparent walls and a roof creating a favorable environment for plant growth.
Greenhouse.
Correct. 1.4. Change the underlined word in each of the following statements to make it true. Write only the answer next to the question numbers. 1.4.1 to 1.4.5 in the answer book. 1.4.1. Transpiration is the process by which excess water is pushed out of the leaves through the hydatodes.
The correct answer is guttation. Transpiration is incorrect. Guttation is the process by which excess water is expelled from the leaves through hydatodes.
Correct. 1.4.2. Application of fertilizer through irrigation water is called aerial application.
The correct answer is fertigation. Aerial application is incorrect. Fertigation is the process of applying fertilizer through irrigation water.
Correct. 1.4.3. The stamen of the flower consists of the stigma, style, and ovary.
The correct answer is pistil. Stamen is wrong. The pistil of the flower is the one that consists of the stigma, style, and ovary.
Correct. 1.4.4. Bulbs are thickened underground stems with nodes and internodes that grow almost horizontally with the soil surface.
The correct answer is rhizomes. Bulbs are incorrect. The correct answer for this question is rhizomes.
Correct. 1.4.5. Fishbone drainage systems are used to protect lower-lying areas from water seeping into the area.
The correct answer is cut off. Fishbone is incorrect. So the correct answer for this question is cut off.
Correct. And just like that, Karabo got full marks for Section A. Well done, my girl.